Wait, you want me to get rid of scratches and swirls in under 3 minutes? I got you. So first things first, obviously you want to prep the surface. That's why we washed, we clayed this, we did the whole 9 yards. Tap this link right here to get redirected to that video. It's a brand new car. I don't necessarily want to cut and polish to get rid of these micro scratches. So I'm gonna be applying what's known as a glaze. The glaze is gonna allow me to get rid of those micro swirls, those micro scratches, all those imperfections with a simple application. You wanna always shake up your bottle. In this case, we're using our Wet Mirror glaze. Apply a few dime-sized drops. A little goes a long way with the glaze. What you wanna do is grab it, blotch it onto the surface. So once I'm done blotching, simple. Cross-hatch motions, what does that mean? You wanna slide your applicator down and around. And once you're done with this portion, you wanna come back and go side to side. So you're not missing anything. You're covering up every single crevice. And spread the coat. You don't necessarily want the coat to be too heavy on one side. You want it even as possible. So keep doing this, keep working it in until you feel and see the coat pretty even. Now that we're done, I did promise you guys, I did say that I was gonna do this in 3 minutes, so I'm gonna show you another method on how to apply this glaze. Thank you for that message, Alex. Now, if you're fortunate to have one of these around, this is gonna be our TORQ X polishing machine or any of our TORQ machines. Be sure to pair it with our blue Hex-Logic glaze pad when applying this with a TORQ machine. You don't necessarily have to crank it up to the highest speed setting because we're not cutting, we're not polishing, we're simply applying a nice layer of this glaze. Blotch it out. Speed setting 1 to spread it out. Just like that, we glaze the entire hood. Give this a proper cure time of 10 minutes. Come back and buff it off. That's simple. So now that the proper cure time has passed by, I'm grabbing our premium microfiber towel, and you can tell it's a premium microfiber towel by the edging. Just look at that, super soft. Apply to your surface, hand firmly, and just buff off. Glide the towel. It's gonna be real easy to remove. I like coming with one side, flipping my towel over, and just going back, making sure I'm removing anything I might have left behind. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. This thing looks like a mirror, if I do say so myself. I've never seen a red mirror until I stared at this hood right now. And that's thanks to our Wet Mirror Finish Glaze. As you can see, super easy to apply, super easy to buff off, and it gives the results we want, when we want them. So, I'm gonna finish the rest of this car. As always, if you like any of these products seen in today's video, be sure to visit your local 𝘊𝗋 garage, visit our website at 𝘊𝗋𝗄𝗋.com. If you wanna see cool videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, share this with a friend. As always, I'm Alex. It's a pleasure being here with you guys today. See you guys on the next one. Let me go get my TORQ X.